Hi, mabuhay! Welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells, and as always, I am Victoria. Our last day, and we're waiting for our driver. You know why? Because Mr. Rodel de la Cruz, say hi, wants to do some shopping. Our flight is actually 7. I hope I can buy something that I like. So I'll bring you around and see you when I'm back in Singapore. Bye! Okay, Mr. De La Cruz, you're busy with... What are you busy doing with?
Instagram.
Yeah.
Ilan lang ba ito? 10?
Mr. De La Cruz, which part of this week's trip is your favorite?
Yesterday.
Which part? When I was climbing the stairs and almost died?
When we went to the Twin Falls.
Twin Falls. Twin Falls where I almost cried and died. Okay, we're leaving. And I want you to meet. Say hi, Agong. So if you need a driver in Bali, go to him, call him. Okay, I'm going in now. Oh, so it's affordable, cheap, which we want. So this is Agong's car. Okay, Agong, how long have you been driving in Bali?
12, 13 years.
13 years. That's
This year,
long.
13.
See, and he knows a lot of things about Bali. I've learned so much. He talks and drives at the same time. But he's a very safe driver. That's why this is our second time with him. And I usually, how do you say it? Recommend him to my friends who goes to Bali.
Let's see.
So this is Kuta. Is Kuta the party place?
BCS place.
So if you like party,
Legian Street.
you can go to Kuta or Legian Street. If you prefer
The quiet one.
the quieter place is
Sinyamak.
Ubud. Ubud is nice. We've been to Ubud, like
Nusa Dua.
Nusa Dua. Yeah, the next trip, Agong actually recommended that we go to Nusa Dua because he's going to bring my hubby on a motocross and fishing trip while I enjoy the spa in the hotel. Am I right, Mr. De La Cruz? Yeah, okay.
But I'm not sure for ASEAN.
Oh,
But I've been try one time.
the Baba Gump.
Yes, Baba. It's good.
And there's a lot of massage parlors also around Kuta. But if you like good massage with the spa, right? You have to get out of Kuta.
Yes.
Oh,
That's what I'm suggesting to you.
get out
Yes.
of Kuta. Yeah, but yesterday we didn't have enough time. But anyways, there's always other days. But my sister did it the last time and she said it was nice when they went for the massage.
Bali massage and flower bath.
Flower bath. You know, I haven't tried flower bath. But my sister said, yeah, it was the highlight of her massage. But it's not far from Kuta, right? Like those.
This year.
But everything is near in Kuta unless you want to go for those day trips. Then it's like a few hours. But it's worth it.
You said yes.
Okay, Agong was saying if you want to do like the party place, right? You should stay in Legian Street. But if you want a little bit quieter but still near the party place, then you should go to Kuta.
Yes. Correct.
But the food, which is better, the one in Legian Street or Kuta?
Both. Because Kota and Legian also so many restaurants.
Mm.
Same,
But then hotels, where is cheaper?
cheaper in Legian.
Oh,
Because many backpackers there.
oh, there's a lot of backpackers hotel. Okay, but then it's noisier, right?
Yes.
Okay, I don't like noisy. Old people don't like noisy.
Me too.
And almost everyone drives a motorbike. We're in a factory outlet and it's shopping time. You're supposed to go inside. Asawa. So they have different brands, Under Armour. I don't know. Okay. I'm going inside. Air conditioned.